All right. So in the last lecture, we created more fields in our database, more columns, right? So now we're going to be creating a view here for the registration page, all right? Because we want our users to have a registration page. So let's go to our views, and right inside users, we're going to create a registration page. So right here in login view, let's actually do a save as here. All right, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We can just use this, and I'm going to call this register view. Register view. There we go. All right. So now, so what are we gonna do with this? First of all, this here is showing it has an if statement, so we need to take that out. Let's take this if statement out, and if we don't even need this logout form right here, we just need the form. Let's take this if statement out. All this code has to be going out. All right, even this one here, the logout. Okay, all this out. Even the end if all the way at the end. All right, and if here, well, we're gonna provide some errors here. We might show this, so let's leave this right here for now. All right, because we might put some errors here later on. Anyway, so this form right now is going to say register. All right, and instead of login form ID, we can say register form. The register, there we go. All right, so instead of login here, we're gonna say register. That's gonna be the controller there that's gonna register the user. All right, all right. So the first thing here is, let's copy this here because we already have all this nicely built here. All right, I'm gonna make a couple of these, and I'm gonna call this first name. So what I did, I pasted that one. We're gonna copy and paste some of this stuff and then change as we go along. All right, and the class will leave the same class. Name, of course, is going to be, instead of username, is going to be first name. So we need a couple fields. I'm gonna give you a heads up just in case you want to pause the video and do it yourself. We gotta input the first name, the last name, the email address, and password and all that stuff. All right, so make sure that you do that. If you want to pause it and try it yourself, go ahead. Enter first name. Right, and now we're gonna paste the same thing again here. Paste it from what I had before. I'm gonna change the label to last name. Change the name attribute to last underscore name. Change the placeholder to enter last name. Last name. All right, what else? Email. All right, paste here. Emailed. All right, and email right here. Enter your email. All right, what else do we have? Let's go to our database and see what else. All right, so we got the username, password, first name, and last name. I think we're done here. All right, so make sure that you have those there. All right, make sure you have the first name, last name, email, username, password. Confirm password. Actually, we don't need to do a confirm password, can we? Yeah, it's a registration page. Yeah, that's fine. Just to make sure that they type in the right password again. So that's fine. And then we have the button. All right, perfect. All right, in the next lecture we'll test this out and see if we can see our form, how it looks and all that. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.